0 of 3 from the 3 ball in Saturday's game versus Malaysia.
Tagal na rin yan nagsaserve sa kanilang national team.
Since 2019 at least.
Here's Dalf Panopio. He misses, pero andun si Boy Aram to clean that up. 6
Highlight play.
So that's the Jamie Malonzo we have come to know through the years. Nakaagaw ang Pilipinas. Lead pass way ahead to Ray Ray. That's an easy lay-in. Near him sa kanyang mga kakampi. He takes it anyway, misses. But then there's Jerker. That's off target. Sa rebound, Ray Parks one-handed. They swing it around. Von Casomales in the game as well, but it's 30 Ravenna now. The mid-range. Jumper is good. A chance to play for the national team. Another 3 hoisted up by Vietnam. And you know, if you let them... He's gonna get his first 2 blocks. Here he goes again. They kick to the corner. Nice setup for the big man. And he puts that...
The first 20 minutes ng 42 to 26.
And that's a welcome basket from the...
Ang natitirang minuto and a good second quarter finish.
Dalf Panopio hitting that 3. Nice. At yung nawala sa kanyang bola.
Naku po.
And Matthew Wright releasing from 3 and connecting.
7 straight points for the Philippines.
Panopio sets up Chua. The fake, the drive, and the layup for
Philippines.
6 seconds on the shot clock. Berto Bolic with the possession. Kicks it out. Matthew Wright, another 3 on the way. Let's go!
Wow.
Kicks it to the cutter. That's a finger roll mula kay J-Pax. Up ahead to Berto Bolic. He'll drop it to the trailer.
Nice.
Matthew Wright will not convert. Ray Parks is there, outside to Bolic. He'll take a 3 instead. That goes! Napakanda ba? Here, Jerker will drive. Drop it over. Quinn inside. And the underneath, Bolic kept it alive. Outside to Parks. 10 seconds to shoot. Bolic releases from 3. That's good! Bolic. The 3. Good!
There you go.
For Berto Bolic. Bolic now looking for some room. Poy Aram setting the screens. They go back to Poy. He's thinking about it. He'll take it. And he will make a 3 for the top of the key. What a... Tran, he's in a bind. Ball's on the floor. Nakuha na ng mga nakaputi. Parks up ahead. Easy layup for Matthew Wright.
And easily Matthew Wright at the forefront.
Has been working. The kick out the 3-point land. Matthew Wright. Di na yata titira. Nag-instructions na ba si coach? Di na, okay na yan. So Philippines survives. I'll say survives. Vietnam 70.